Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. What about you? Which state do you belong to? Kerala. You are a Mallu, right? What do you do? Are you a student or are you? I don't do anything. I'm unemployed. Then are you? Yep, you are right. I have completed my graduation. Right now, I don't do anything. I have long term and short term goal on my hand. That's why I want to enhance my English speaking. I want to speak like you. And of course, definitely. Who told you you are not a good speaker? How did you evaluate your speaking part? Tell me. Mhm. Okay, that is a different matter. Confidence and energy is a different matter. But you are a good speaker, you are a fluent speaker, your mode of speaking is an excellent, powerful, splendid, awesome, good at, outstanding, remarkable. Then how is it? Not like that. Not like that. Why you think this kind of? I motivate you. Obviously, you are a yeah, yeah, of course, definitely. Because you are a good speaker, because with whom you interact, they can evaluate your speaking part. How did you evaluate with yourself? Because it has no any instrument to measure any speaking part, right? Because if you interact with someone, they can evaluate your speaking part, how much you can speak. That's why we require tutor, guider, and mentor and teacher. They can evaluate our speaking part. If you have any kind of instrument, then why you require any guider, mentor, and teacher, right? That's why you are a good speaker, and confidence is a different part. Everyone has a language phobia inside them, right? And it required practice. It required practice. Lack of practicing, that's why we always underestimate in front of anyone, right? If you interact with higher authority people, if you interact with well educated people, that's when everyone lose their confidence in front of that person, right? They forget everything. They prepare with themselves, but if they go in front of that person, then they forget everything. That phobia is a different matter, right? That's why confidence also we can build through practicing. That is also required. If you interact with different mentality people and different professional people, then we means improve our fluency, including we build our confidence, right? If we don't talk with any type of people, then we cannot build our confidence, because right now, if you talk with your friend, then that confidence level is a different, right? If you interact with higher authority people or your boss or your team leader, that's when that confidence level is a different, right? That's we have to interact with also higher educated people, well educated people, or professional people. Then we decrease our language phobia inside whatever we have, right? Then we always like comfort zone. We don't like out of comfort zone, right? We also be this. I have been using this platform before I install in this platform, and I practice with also language learner. After that, I uninstall, and once again I install in this platform and talking with the language learner around 1 week. You can say. What about you? How long have you? Okay. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Because practice is going on well, but what happened? You are premium user, then you get unlimited language partner and unlimited time to interact with them, right? I'm a free user, then I get a short period, 60 minutes, to interact with any language partner, and I talk with everyone, and this platform is a good platform, and co-learner also so good, and professional people use this platform, and their mode of talking also excellent. Yeah, my practice is going on good. Right. Mhm. Right, 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 right. Of course, definitely. Because if we meet new co-learner, then we want to know that person, personal life, professional life, food, culture, atmosphere, their state, their clothes, everything. We eager to know about that person and their atmosphere.